In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate your laptop's battery. First of all, let me tell you why do we calibrate our battery. Why do we do this process? Because sometimes you might have find that you charge your battery, laptop's battery till 100%, but after use of 1 to 2 minutes, it comes to 90% or 85%. That is, it drains too fast. So there might be two reasons for happening so. That is, over the years you might have used your laptop, so continuously charging and discharging might have aged your laptop's battery. So only thing that you can do is that to change your battery. But the another reason can be your laptop might charge your battery actually till 90%, but your system is showing to you as 100%. So you are not getting a precise reading that how much your battery is actually charged. So to get the precise reading, that is, if it is charged till 95%, you should get through your system should show you that it is 95% charge. If it is 100% actually charged, it should show you 100% actual charge. So let me show you quickly how to calibrate your battery. First of all, this process might, let me tell you, this process might take till 3 to 2 hours. You have to charge your battery till 100%, like I have done. So uh, you can find it here. Yeah, it is 100% charge. And now in this process, until your 100% charged battery drains till 0%, you have to keep this process. You don't have to interrupt in between. So uh, now let me show you. First of all, you have to unplug your charging cable, and then you have to shut down. Okay, close all the process and then shut down. And then once it is shut down, what you got to do is press the um, power button, and you have to quickly press F2 button. Now something like this would come. F2 diagnostic test. We have to run the diagnostic test. So initializing diagnostics. Okay, wait for some seconds. Okay, so now what you got to do is go into the component tests, then into the memory, then do the extensive test, and then loop until error. Now this might take you till now it's showing to me as 50 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, some estimated time is given to me, but to you it might take even 3 hours, 2 hours. Okay, it depends on your system. It depends on your battery, how well is your battery. Okay, so do it. This After the end of this process, the results of the test might not be shown to you, because after 0% battery, your laptop might shut down. So you have to just start your laptop, and yes, the calibration of your battery is done. And if you are now my laptop is HP laptop. If you are having your HP laptop, then go to the start okay, once the 0% of the battery is done, like it might have drained till 0%, you have to charge it till 100%. Then only you have to start your laptop. Okay, and uh, once you start your if you are having HP laptop, then go to the start button. There you might find HP support assistant. Type HP support assistant, and then there you might find in HP support assistant application, battery checkup. There you can find your battery test results. Okay, thank you.